I have a 1983 Toyota pickup, 22R, two-wheel drive, and yesterday I took off the serpentine belt just for maintenance, I guess, and I took off the fan. You can see these bolts right here. I took them off for some reason when I could have just taken off the belt over, like under the fan. But I guess you learn from your mistakes, you know. And the bracket I took off to take off so I can make it easier to take off the belt on the alternator, because they didn't want to go further in, so I could loosen it. Was this bracket right here? You can see it here. I took this bracket off, and I took the bottom bolt, the 14 the bolt and the bolt behind. You can't really see it right here. It's right there. And when I did that, I was working on it, and then I guess the alternator fell down, and it shorted this power wire that I added here. I don't know if you can really see it right here. This better view. Yeah, this power wire right here shorted to ground, and I guess that's when it became a problem, because it was running before I did this, but I guess when I tried to crank it over, it didn't want to. But I guess, yeah. And then I was checking for spark, and no spark on the plugs. I took off the cap to check if the rotor was spinning, to make sure my chain wasn't broken. And my main suspect is the igniter and the coil, because I try to, I put a test light ground to here, and I try to crank it over, and I get no spark. But I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, so that's why I'm writing doing this video. Maybe you guys can help me. And yeah, I hope I could get this truck running again, because it's my daily driver. And even though like the truck is slow, this is my baby right here, and I love this baby. It takes me everywhere. And yeah, I hope you guys can help me. Thank you for watching.